Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi Q5 tire. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools: a jack, a lug wrench, and your spare tire. Next, find a safe, flat spot to park your Audi Q5, then engage the parking brake for safety. Finally, locate your spare tire and the tool kit, which are usually stored conveniently in the trunk of your vehicle. Once prepared, use your lug wrench to loosen each lug nut about 1/2 turn while the tire is still on the ground. This makes them easier to remove later. Now, carefully position the jack under the vehicle's frame at the designated lift point. Slowly raise your Audi Q5 until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing it to spin freely. With the vehicle lifted, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Set it aside. Next, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the hub. Push it firmly into place. Then, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the spare tire, ensuring it's snug before lowering. Finally, lower your Audi Q5 completely to the ground. Once down, use your lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Double-check the spare tire's pressure, and remember that spare tires are for temporary use, so drive cautiously to a service center. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.